Today, we live in very interesting times. We have interesting choices to make, both from a humanitarian as well as an engineering perspective. We live in a period which proposes an overall responsible management of resource use. These are the principles that have guided our initiatives and led us to our point of view today. Today, 1.1 billion people live without clean drinking water, and it is estimated that 2.6 billion people lack adequate sanitation. If just 1,000 companies of our size come together, we could provide the right to clean water to 2 billion of our fellow planetarians. All it needs is radical resource productivity. Typically, if processed conventionally, a single pair of jeans can utilize as much as 140 liters of water. Conventional belly washers operate on a 1 to 20 liquor ratio. By using smarter machines and dosing techniques, it is possible to wash at 1 to 3 liquor ratios. This method would save 60 liters per jean. By applying green chemistry and inducting sustainable chemicals, it is possible to reduce the steps to 20 liters per jean. Infusing ozone into the wash process enables oxidizing and color loss without the use of water. Further 24 liters per jean can be saved. Finally, by implementing a water recycle plant built on reverse osmosis and nanofiltration, the processed water can be recycled, bringing the total water needed to 6 liters versus 80 liters per jean. Besides water, industry has also been polluting our environment with excessive CO2 emissions. We all realize the impact of climate change to our lives, ranging from natural disasters to one day a planet filled with environmental refugees. A CO2 footprint can be managed better with the use of natural gas as well as LPG, which has a global warming potential of 0. Additionally, by planting trees, shared transportation, smart energy practices, and the use of technology with contained manpower will allow enterprises the opportunity to carbon neutralize and make our planet a safer place. These radical resource productivity measures can yield results of a CO2 footprint of 1,829 tons versus the industry standard of 8,314 tons per year, a significant reduction of 450%. Air quality at workplace can be better managed by using lasers, green chemistry, as well as blasting techniques using liquid CO2 to replace both the banned sandblasting and the not yet potassium permanganate. Blackouts and outages and its impacts do not need an introduction. To conserving energy with again a radical resource productivity approach, we can yield substantial energy savings. There are some processes today, especially with dyeing, which need 70 to 80 degrees temperature to operate. In such cases, heating water with renewable energy via our thermosolar system has been a great ally. Simple measures such as natural ventilation and natural light have saved thousands of kilowatts. Trapping waste hot air to dry our garments, as well as moving into natural drying like the tanneries operate, creates an alternative approach on reduction of energy that dryers consume. All these process improvements have cost us just $2 million US. The savings on the energy front are over 45% and 5 million kilowatts per year. On the water front, we stand to save 92%. In money terms, we stand to recover a little over $500,000 a year, with all of your money back in less than 4 years. Every other year, we've built a house for the deserving. By applying the concept of industrial ecology with smart green chemistry practices, today, our final waste has been certified as non-hazardous. With this sludge, we're well positioned to convert it into bricks for our next home in 2013. Every day of our lives, we participate in the lives of over 600 children in Vietnam. These children today get fed and taken care of from the revenue from our waste disposal. It's amazing what $5,000 US per month can do. Tomorrow, we intend to mainstream these children into first technical training and then into jobs. Revenues will come in from converting our rejected fabrics and jeans into shoes and other accessories. This is the story of our laundry, which is based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and that processes 300,000 jeans per month, built on an integrated approach to sustainable engineering. We encourage you all to participate in protecting and preserving our planet.